Okay, from the time I thought of it, I thought, this is probably a good idea, it could be handy, but now that I've done it, I think I'm a friggin' genius. Okay, I've got some ideas, some wacky ideas for the Great Guitar Build-Off guitar. Well, I need to stop calling it that, because now they're both Great Guitar Build-Off guitars. The first one, the Ergo whatever. I gotta come up with a name for that. The ergonomic build. I want to do some crazy stuff. The tone pot, I wanted to be a coil split. With a push-pull. The volume pot, I wanted to pull for a kill switch. And for a selector, I wanted to try a blend pot. Okay, I don't know how to wire any of those, so I had to do some research, and I had to get some help from Nails. Helped out a lot, verifying that what I did was right. But because it was complicated and I didn't know, I mean, I had to wire up each component separately and test that out, make sure that it kind of did what it was supposed to, then start piecing them together and see that it did what I expected. So add to that the problem, I'm trying to do the wiring on a guitar that doesn't exist yet. So I wanted a way that I could mount the pickups and each component in a way that it was easy to get to and do my wiring, and I could quickly just, but I wanted to be able to just hover the pickups over an existing guitar strings so I could test, and then I could just flip it right back over and work on the wiring. Now this is, I can't demonstrate right at the moment because I kind of unhooked everything, but I just quick and dirty put some little wood feet on it on some threaded rod just so I had something to work with. Because most important, I wanted to work and test that out and make sure that my stuff worked. But I like this idea enough. I need to find a way that I can put feet on both sides. And this one's kind of flat body, so it's not ideal for something like a Tune-o-matic setup where you've got a break angle. In this particular case, it does work, but and I wanted it mounted so you can actually test the pots. I think it's just it's a brilliant idea. Bonehead Guitars, patent pending. Thanks for hanging out and watching. If you're digging what we're doing, like this video, go subscribe. We'll catch you next time. More goodies to come. Bye. Like, subscribe, watch. Okay, so, and, but yeah, but, and, so, something like, but, so,